A drone is 25 meters high. The angle of elevation increased from 30 to 45 degrees after moving some distance. So, further distance moved. So, this is the question. Answer of that question is what? So, here there is, for example, a certain person. In that state, so also the drone is located, for example, this the drone. So the drone is located this above. So this is equal to 25 meters. So the angle of elevation from this is equal to, according to that, is equal to 30 degrees. So when it moves from in front of, the angle change to 45 degrees. So we need the value of that. The value of moved distance is equal to what? So how to solve this question? So the value of that, for that is the application of trigonometry. To solve this, we use a trigonometrical relation, trigonometrical function. So then, according to that, when you consider this triangle, you see that the tan of 30 degrees is what? Is equal opposite side, which is equal to 25 meter, divided by adjacent side, which is equal d plus, for example, x. So here, let's use this for x. So also, when you use tan of 45 degree, consider this is what? Is equal 25 meter over x. So it means that the value of x is what? The tan of that, tan of 45 degree is equal 1. So it means that according to that, x is equal 25 meter. So also, when you see this, the tan of 30 degree is equal 1 over square root of 3, or square root of 3 over 3. So then, when you replace this value in above, so you see that the tan of 30 degree is equal 25 meter divided by, for example, d plus r, let's use is equal, for example, p. So is equal p, where p is d plus x. So then p is equal what? P is equal, when you see the p is equal 25 meter divided by tan of 30 degree. So this is equal what? 25 meter divided by tan of this is equal 1 over square root of 3. This is the same to what? 25 square root of 3 meter. So this is the value of p. So remember that we need the value of d. This d is equal what? D is equal p minus x. P minus x. So then d is equal what? This 25 square root of 3 minus x is equal what? 25 then meter. So according to that, d is equal to 25 times the square root of 3 is equal 1.73 minus 1. So d is equal 25 times 0.73. So d is equal what? So d is equal, okay, d is equal 18.03 meter. So this is the value of D. The value of moved is equal 18.3 meter. So thank you for watching this. Remember to subscribe. I love you too.